to live a coherent life is that what you think, what you believe, what you say, and what you do is the same. I remember this example of these 4 friends that wanted to start this football club. They were 4. We say, okay, let's go to train, to find a place to train 2 times a week. And in less than a month, it were more than 30.
Yeah.
Because there was a lot of youth with the same reality, asking the same question. How we play the game, but also in a way that is encouraging and is supporting others, no? It was amazing how they start to read the reality, not only of themselves, but of the neighbor. So they also start to think, okay, so what the neighbors needs. And they saw there were immigrants coming, and they put in the place of an immigrant coming and said, we want them to feel welcome.
Yeah.
So let's play with them. And we invite all of this, a big group of immigrants that they had the football match together. And it was so different because before the football match started, they start to know each other. They do different dynamics. They start to meet. And then when they see them in the street now,
They're friends.
they're friends. So how this simple project of service change dynamics, because sometimes we think that dynamics are only changed in the institutional level, no? That this is who have the power to change. But really the power
in the hands of people.
It's in the hands of people.
Of course.
And it's for us how we learn how to have this relationship that the institutions, the individuals, but also the community feels empowered, and we are empower each other